tomatoes and your chicken for a while, kidogo tu, sio some mob. Then afterwards you fry your chicken until golden brown. Hey guys, so these are the ingredients that you use. We have onions, tomatoes, pilipili hoho, dania, carrots, chicken masala, breadcrumbs, tomato paste, blue band. Then you have water, hatujaeka, plus salt, and you can add any other spices that you want. Make your paste using onions, tomatoes, coriander, pilipili hoho, carrots, salt, chicken masala, tomato paste, and some little water. Once your paste is ready, you pour it on your chicken, then you put it in the oven. Yeah, delicious, yummy. You spread butter on your baking tray and gently, and put your potatoes. Then you spread breadcrumbs and put it in the oven between 150 to 200 degrees. Hey guys, so now we are done with the cooking, and these are the end results. Several hot. Enjoy.